WiiM Mini is a versatile and compact wireless audio streamer that supports AirPlay2 multi-room stereo capabilities and functions as a preamplifier. It is designed to integrate with modern smart home systems, offering compatibility with Alexa and Siri voice assistants. This allows users to control their music and audio playback using voice commands. Here are some key features and benefits of the WiiM Mini. Key features: AirPlay2 support. Stream audio from Apple devices seamlessly. Syncs with other AirPlay2 enabled devices for multi-room audio. Multi-room stereo. Create a connected audio experience across multiple rooms. Sync playback on multiple devices for a cohesive sound environment. High-resolution audio streaming. Supports streaming from popular services like Spotify, Amazon Music, Tidal, and more. Capable of playing high-resolution audio for superior sound quality. Voice assistant integration. Works with Amazon Alexa and Apple Siri. Use voice commands to control playback, volume, and more. Compact design. Small and unobtrusive, making it easy to place in any room. Simple, sleek design that blends with modern home decor. Connectivity. Includes multiple input and output options for easy integration with existing audio systems. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities for versatile streaming options. User-friendly app. Comes with a dedicated app for easy setup and control. Manage all connected devices and streaming services in one place. Benefits. Enhanced audio experience. With support for high-resolution audio, the WiiM Mini ensures that you can enjoy your music in the best possible quality. Convenient control. The integration with voice assistants like Alexa and Siri makes it easy to control your music hands-free. Versatile streaming. Whether you use Spotify, Amazon Music, or other streaming services, the WiiM Mini can handle it all. Multi-room capability. Sync music across multiple rooms, making it perfect for parties or creating a unified audio environment throughout your home. Easy setup. The included app and clear instructions make the WiiM Mini simple to set up and use, even for those who are not tech-savvy. Overall, the WiiM Mini is a powerful and flexible audio streaming solution that enhances your home audio setup with modern features and conveniences.